Welcome back, guys. It's Derek Stokes, Stoke Living. If you're new here, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome again. I've got to do some work on the garden. I have neglected it long enough, but it's really not my fault, I guess you'd say, from the neglection. We've just got so much rain here and just couldn't get out there and work it. But it needs some work, and we've got to do something pretty quick because otherwise it's going to get out of hand. So I'll kind of give you a rundown on what all we got going on out here. There's the garden there. I haven't been able to till with a tiller because the carburetor was messed up on it. I got the carburetor in today, so I'll be able to run the tiller. As you can see here, I've got my corn coming up through there. Got a pretty good stand. I think it's 5 rows. That ought to be enough for us. The dill starting to come up through there. I've got cucumbers and squash coming up. Tomatoes are there. This is the problem. I'm gonna have to really till this guy up. Got my lettuce and onions and stuff through there. It's getting pretty bad, so I'm gonna have to really do some work on that. But I'm gonna run the tractor back through here, and right here is going to be the boundary. I'll just set this little marker right here where my row starts, and I can be able to see. But I need to till all that. I need to look here and see if my pumpkin is taken off. Does not look very pumpkin-y. I'm probably just gonna have to start over on them. Yeah, they didn't make it through the rain. Yep, we're starting over on pumpkins. I'm not seeing them. Well, I got Miss Olivia. She is on the tiller. Got it going on. See if she's getting it. Kind of see right through there. She's making the rows. Think about it, whenever you're planting this stuff, it's hard to tell how straight you got it, but whenever it comes up, it's a telltale sign whether you knew what you're doing or not. I might have had these rows a little bit tight. I don't know, I think it'll be all right. Ground is working up super good. You can see up there next to Zeus, it got pretty wet up there, and I got kind of hung up by that fence with the tractor and about got stuck. Almost had to do some fence work. But you can see the changing color over there where Zeus is at, and it is pretty wet up there still. But we're not going to plant up there today. My 2,000-pound pumpkins didn't make it that I planted in the pot. So I'm going to plant them by seed out here. So they just might be a 1,500-pound pumpkin. I don't know, we'll see. We'll get some seed in the ground. Okay, I got Philip. He's over here putting the tomatoes in the ground. Started off with some Rutgers, and then I ended it up with Celebrity, and I really like Celebrity. We had Goliath over there on that side. I've never used them before, but we'll try them out and see. I found a greenhouse that had lots of tomatoes in it. It was in Amish country over in Shoto, and they hooked me up, fixed me up with some tomatoes. They did a good job. Olivia's doing a wonderful job tilling the corn. Right here we got the dill. It's starting to just kind of sprout up, and then behind it we've got the cucumbers and squash. And here's my tomatoes. And she's working her way down next to the forest. Been kind of neglected. She's in the onions and lettuce and spinach. Lettuce looks like it's about ready, and there's some broccoli that's right there. So. Got some stuff going on in the garden. It's not where I want it to be, but it's getting there. The rain kind of set me back, and issues with my tiller. But we're up and moving, and we're getting stuff in the ground. So Philip, he's putting in the cantaloupe right now. Let's go talk to him, see what he thinks about the cantaloupe. Philip, what are you planting?
Watermelon.
Oh, you're on the watermelon now. Okay, and I believe it's a Crimson Sweet watermelon. Okay, show them how you plant the watermelon.
You put 3 in them, right? Or...
Yeah, let's put there's quite a few seeds there. Let's put 5 of them in there. That might be a little much. That's fine. Put a couple more in there.
Right here?
Yeah.
That?
Yep, doing good. Just stick them in that old mound. He put the cantaloupe in those.
I'm pretty sure I did a watermelon right here, and then that's where I stopped.
Is that where you stopped? Okay. I think you got this hill right here next, isn't it? Yeah.
What?
This one right here.
But look. Why is there a string like that? Oh, shoot.
You're going to have watermelon popping up everywhere, Philip. That's all right. That's all right. I'll show y'all where I was getting stuck up here. It is super wet back here in this corner. And the fence kept me from going out in the field. You can see that water just seeped up. Pretty wet. She about got stuck. We made it out of it though. All right, I'm gonna finish up this before it starts getting dark. Okay, so what we're planting right now is some different types of flowers. Never done this in the garden before. I'm not sure. I might be introducing some bad stuff.
What is this? It looks weird.
A bunch of different kinds of seeds. It's called a cut flower mixture, okay? See this right here? Cut flower mix. I got it from the Amish greenhouse. Olivia's doing a teddy bear sunflower. And then Phil's gonna do this. Go right there where Olivia stopped. And then I've got a D-A-H-L-I-A, Dahlia Mix Xena. So I'm gonna try that. I've got some Autumn Beauty sunflowers. And then some Mammoth Gray Striped sunflower seeds. And I think those are gonna get pretty big sunflowers. So I'm gonna plant these kind of in the middle. And then I've got some ornamental corn on that side, and then we'll do some pumpkins on down a little further. But this half is to eat, this half is for beauty. Livy's on the beauty side. Livy, you gonna play for Tennessee basketball? It'd be kind of cool if you did. I've been there. I got you that shirt. All right, we'll get this in the ground. You stopped right there? All right, I'll send Livy down. Okay. Philip's gonna give us an update on the animals. Okay. All right, let them kind of see you, talk about them. Okay. All right, tell them what's going on. whenever you get done, you're going to show them the animals, spin that thing around, and be very careful. Remember that they're watching you. They don't want to think they're inside of a daggum ship or something in the sea. Okay? So go tell them, be careful with it, hold it still.
We had 2 new baby goats. See how they're doing. I'm pretty sure it's Margaret. It's Herbert. Billy Bob. Screamer. Don't know who you are. Billy Goat. Here's Tyke. With the 2 new baby goats. And here's Ollie over here. Hey boy. Alright, I'm gonna pet you. Herbert. Herbert. They're like eating on the cedar tree. Like you do. Herbert and Pike likes to.
Is that it? You want to play with them?
Oh, there's a turtle? Let me see it. No. Is it dead?
No.
Is it snapping? Hey, watch out. Hey. Ollie. Hey. Hey, boy. Hey, Ollie. I just want to see it. It's a turtle.
Show them the new baby goats.
Yeah.
All right, put that turtle back in the garden.
Why?
Throw him back in here.
Okay. Oh, you don't mess with that turtle. He's nice. Tight. Come over here. Don't want to. Okay. I'll pet you. Okay? You're just always happy. That's good. Okay, you trying to bite my hand off? Oh, you scratch the camera, right? Yeah, good. Thing.
All right, well, we're doing the best part of planting right here, covering up. We about run out of daylight. Put a full day in.
We're out of daylight.
Yeah, we are out of daylight. That's right, Philip. So I think about the only thing left to plant is pumpkins, and it's okay because it probably needs to warm up a little bit more. But it is going to be in the 90s this week, so it won't be long. We'll get those going. I tried to get an early start on it, and it didn't work out. They just don't like cooler weather, I guess. But garden's coming along. The kiddos are a big help. Remember helping my dad in the garden, and hopefully this will make my kids want to teach their kids how to garden, and so on and so on. I think it's very important because if a person couldn't make it to the grocery store, what would you do? How would you survive? And that's what my dad always asked us boys. What would we do? So people need to know different types of skills like this, and hopefully we don't ever come to that. You never know, but it's nice being out here, God's creation, and watching stuff grow. Isn't it, kiddos? 11 years of experience right here of gardening. Philip, how old are you? 9, so you got 7 years of experience. Well, this probably about does it for us because I think we're running out of daylight. Thanks for watching again here on Stoked Living. If you guys get the opportunity, you might check out some of my other videos. I really enjoyed filming with Cord the other day. That was a lot of fun. That kid, he really touches my heart. Love that kid, and good parents, good family that he comes from. And if you guys ever get a chance, meet old Cord. He's a good, pretty cool dude. So Cord, if you're out there, which I'm sure you are because you watch all these, hope you're having a good day. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. The race is on. Who's gonna meet up first? Look at them feet. Look at them feet work. This is garden dancing one-on-one right here. Meet in the middle. Boom! We got it.